last class we have seen that plants growing in marshy areas, they breathe through aerial roots, which are also called as nematophores, and mostly these plants have hollow stem. Okay, the plants will having hollow stems. Clear? Okay, now we will see some experiments regarding the respiration in plants. So we know that plants also respire. They will also take oxygen and give out carbon dioxide. This can be proved by using some experiments. So one experiment is being given for you. I'll explain you. What is that? So for this experiment, aim. What is the aim of the experiment? Carbon dioxide is released during respiration. Carbon dioxide is released during respiration in plants. Okay, so we have seen that carbon dioxide is released during respiration in animals experiment. So now we have to see that in plants also carbon dioxide is releasing or any other gas is releasing. So we will conduct an experiment. So this will be the aim of the experiment. Carbon dioxide is released during the respiration in plants. So what are the apparatus? Wide mouthed bottle, wide mouthed bottle, moong dal, or Bengal gram seeds. Next, small conical, small. It should be 200 ml. The white mounted flask should be almost nearly 200. Small flask. Small flask. Next, lime water. Lime water. Then cork. Cork. So these will be the apparatus of the experiment. Now, what is the procedure of the experiment? Let's see the procedure of the experiment. Let's see the procedure of the experiment. So, in this procedure, you have taken a wide mouthed flask, cover this flask with a cork. Cover this flask with a cork. So I am drawing like this cork. Okay, cover this flask with cork. So first, before covering it, what you will do is, first means so you have taken one wide mouthed flask. Okay, put some moong dal or baj, sprouted moong or Bengal gram seeds. Okay, in this. So how do you prepare this? Before, if you want to do the experiment today, the day before day, you soak some moong dal. Moong dal ante pesarapappu. Pesal unte kada, లేకపోతే మినప్పప్పు. బెంగాల్ గ్రామ్ ఇస్ Okay, so any minapap gani pesarapap gani you just soak them. Okay, soak them and తర్వాత ఒక గంట నానాక after soaking for 1 hour just drain the water and tie them in a cloth and keep it in one place where you will get some not so hot, not so cold. Keep it in a corner of your house or in your classroom. If you are doing the experiment today, plan it day before day only. Okay, just bring some moong dal or bengal gram seeds, soak them for 1 hour, drain it and tie them in a cloth and keep it in a corner and leave it that day. You leave. Next day when you come to the school, just open the cloth and you will see some sprouts coming from the moong. Chinna molecules vastayi. So take that seeds for this experiment. Okay, sprouted means molecule vachinayi. You should take sprouted moong or bengal gram seeds. Clear? Now you put that sprouted moong or bengal gram seeds in this. Okay, now take another beaker, small beaker, which consists of 3/4 lime water. So this should be filled with lime water. Okay, small beaker containing lime water. Keep this into this big beaker very carefully. Okay, keep this beaker into a big beaker containing lime. Keep the small beaker containing lime water into a big beaker very carefully. Okay, now cover it with cork tightly. Okay, cover it with lid or cork. So close it. Cover it with lid or cork. Anything you can write. Okay, this. Now same set of apparatus you again prepare. So this will be the first set. Okay, now you prepare the second set also. Same. But what is the difference is, you will take normal seeds in that set. Okay, so I will write you the first set. This is our beaker. You have closed it. You have taken what? I will draw like this. Okay, so this is our first set. This is our first set. So in this set what you have taken? You have taken sprouted moong dal and small beaker containing lime water. Cover it with lid. In the second set, what you will do? The same apparatus. You will take one glass beaker. Take some moong dal. But what is difference between these two is they are not sprouted, just raw. Normal moong dal you take and put it in a lid. Here you got sprouts for that. Okay, this is a major difference. Remember, in the second set you have taken normal moong dal. In the first set you have taken sprouted moong dal. Okay, first set lo మొలకలు వచ్చినాయి తీసుకున్నాం. ఇందులో ఉట్టిగా మొలకలు లేవు, ఉట్టిగా moong dal వేసాం. So keep same beaker containing lime water. So this is the beaker containing lime water. Now close the lid. Okay. Now leave these apparatus for 24 hours. Leave the apparatus for 24 hours. Next day after coming, observe the two apparatus. In which apparatus will the lime water change into milky? Yeah, definitely in these apparatus, because here some sprouts have came and some sprouts have came from the seeds. So they are doing respiration. So what happens, whatever the oxygen available here, they are taking that oxygen and laying out carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide is being absorbed by the lime water and it changed into milky in color. But here there are no sprouts, there are only seeds. No plant is there here, no seedling is there. So respiration is not occurring in this cell. But here, as the small baby plant has came from the seeds, it has to do respiration. So it is taking oxygen and releasing carbon dioxide. That carbon dioxide has been absorbed by what? Lime water. That's why it changed into milky color. Here no respiration occurs. Lime water will be in the normal color. So in this way you can say that respiration occurs in plant, and in even the plant also uses oxygen and releases carbon dioxide. So this can be proved by the this moong dal or Bengal gram seeds experiment. Clear? Clear amma? Same, chala simple experiment. Okay, oka flask తీసుకోండి, దాంట్లో sprouted moong dal చేయండి. ఇంకో పక్కనే చిన్న బీకర్లో లైమ్ వాటర్ పెట్టండి, ఫ్లాస్క్ని క్లోజ్ చేసేసి వదిలేండి. సేమ్ అలాంటిది ఇంకో సెట్ తయారు చేయండి. కాకపోతే దీంట్లో స్ప్రౌటెడ్ అంటే మొలకలు కాకుండా ఉట్టిగా విత్తనాలు పెడతాం. సేమ్ లైమ్ వాటర్ పెడతాం, క్లోజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, జస్ట్ లీవ్ ఇట్ 24 hours వితౌట్ డిస్టర్బింగ్. ఏమవుతుంది, మొలకలు బయటకు వచ్చాయి కాబట్టి చిన్న మొలకలు రెస్పిరేషన్ జరగాలి వాటికి. సో ఏం చేస్తే ఆక్సిజన్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుని కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ని రిలీజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఈ కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ ఏమవుతుంది, బీకర్లో ఉన్న లైమ్ వాటర్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేసుకుని ఇట్ ఈస్ చేంజింగ్ ఇంటూ మిల్కీ కలర్. ఇక్కడ రెస్పిరేషన్ జరగదు ఇంకో సెట్లో, ఎందుకంటే అక్కడ మొలకలు లేవు, ఓన్లీ విత్తనాలు ఉన్నాయి. సీడ్స్లో నుంచి ప్లాంట్ బయటకు వస్తేనే రెస్పిరేషన్ జరుగుతుంది. సో ఓన్లీ సీడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సో సీడ్స్లో రెస్పిరేషన్ జరగదు, అందుకు అక్కడ లైమ్ వాటర్ చేంజ్ అవ్వలేదు. సో ఈ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంట్ ద్వారా మనం ఏం చెప్తామంటే, ప్లాంట్స్లో కూడా రెస్పిరేషన్ జరిగేటప్పుడు కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్ అన్నది రిలీజ్ అవుతుంది. ఎక్సేల్ చేసే ఎయిర్ ఏదంటే కార్బన్ డైఆక్సైడ్. ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ.